ClickFunnels 2.0 How to Create Effective Sales Funnel in ClickFunnels 2.0. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an absolutely amazing and incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video, we are going to be discussing in great detail and depth on how we are going to be making ClickFunnels our tool to create amazing and great sales funnels. Okay. And it's going to be really amazing. I'm going to be going through all of it. I'm going to be going through all two details, what happens in ClickFunnel, how you can access it, how you can use it, how you can create a proper full funnel design. I'm going to show you the pricings, how you're going to sign up, how you're going to log in, how it's different from the classic ClickFunnels, and we're going to be talking about it all in great depth. So, please do make sure to fully watch this video till the end to, fully learn the great depth that this video will go in to teach you. So, yeah, without further ado, let's get straight into it. So, to come to ClickFunnels 2.0, what you're going to do is you're obviously going to go to the main website, which is clickfunnels.com. Okay. Now, once you've gone to clickfunnels.com, over here, what's going to happen is obviously you're going to see all these things, ClickFunnels, what's included, pricing, login, etc., etc. So basically, first of all, let's go ahead and check the pricing for ClickFunnels 2.0. Okay, let's see what it actually constitutes, what it brings us. So obviously, 2.0 is the new thing. It's the new thing in business. So choose your plan and start your 14-day free trial. You have the basic, the pro, the funnel hacker. It's 127 per month, 157 per month, and $208 per month. And you can see you can get all these things like sales funnel, website, online courses, etc. Obviously, this is what we are here to do. This is the main feature and solution that we're going to be using. And it's really simple to do so. So obviously, you can go ahead and click on try for free and sign up right now. Okay. But obviously, do make sure to sign up with the ClickFunnels 2.0, not the classic one. Now, obviously, I'm going to head straight into the account center. And because I'm already signed in with my account, and here I am. So this is obviously the main dashboard, and this is what ClickFunnels 2.0 actually looks like. Okay, this is how everything works in ClickFunnels 2.0. So you got a lot of things going on. Here's your main dashboard, the main overview. Then on the left hand side, you got site, funnels, products, orders, contacts, analytics, marketing, sales settings, etc., etc. A whole lot of more deals. So to start things off, obviously, I'm going to be talking a bit about dashboard. Now, in dashboard, obviously, you get the privilege of creating things really directly and easily. You got blog post, broadcast, funnel, page, product, workflow. Obviously, we're going to be going into funnel because that's what we are here to do. But I'm going to be doing that just in a second. Just let me give you a brief overview of how it really is looking inside of ClickFunnels 2.0. So obviously, first of all comes site. Okay. Now in site, what do we see? In site, you can see a whole lot of different things. First of all, you can see the site overview. Okay, you can get the brief overview of how your site actually looks, with the details, the themes, and a whole lot more. Then comes blogs. Okay, the blog is where you can create blog posts for yourself, and you can just have different blog contextual stuff. Then you have Customer Center, which is basically a type of a mini CRM in your website that you can customize for yourself. It's a self-serve portal that you can create for yourself if you want to. Pretty great stuff to have for your page as well, just to have a good, you could say, relationship with your customers. And obviously, there's funnels, pages, and more, which we're going to get into a second. Then, obviously, there's different things like products. And here you can create products that are going to be constituted into your page. But obviously, this is extra stuff. So I'm not really going to get into this stuff. And I'm going to just get straight into creation of the actual funnel. Okay. So for the creation of the actual funnel, I'm going to go into funnels right here. And once you're into funnels, you're going to come up here where it says create funnel, and we're going to click on that. So here we have our funnel. So I'm going to, call it new funnel. There we go. And now we're going to click on create funnel. Okay. Now, once you've clicked on create funnel, here it is gonna, create a basic graph or chart for you. Obviously, right now it's quite empty. You don't see a lot going on in this. So obviously, I'm gonna go ahead and start adding stuff. So first of all, you have to add pages. So if you click on the plus sign here, you can see you have all these things. So let's add a page. Okay. So first of all, obviously, I'm going to go ahead and add a homepage for myself, okay? So obviously, it's a sales funnel, so I'm going to choose a sales page. And let's say this is my homepage, okay? So You're gonna choose that, okay, and go ahead and create a home page. Okay, there we go. You could add a description if you want to. I don't really want to, so I'm just gonna do that and click on create page. So there we go. You have created a page. You can also create your very own custom page, which I'm gonna show you in a second. Okay, creating a custom page is also pretty good for your sales funnels because that basically allows you to add any type of information into your pages, add any type of, data that you want, add any type of contextual design, any type of external design. And a lot of people actually prefer that to what I'm showing you. So you could obviously go ahead and do that. But this page that you can see in front of you is also editable. So if you click on edit, like let's say I've made that homepage, and if we click on edit, as you can see, it brings us here, and now you can go ahead and start editing things. So let's say you have, all these things. So unlock the ultimate blogging blueprint, transform your passion into profit, etc. Let's say I'm just gonna move this to new sales deposits are available, just as an example, okay? And then obviously you can, add your own headers, like let's say in the top margin, you can add, spacing. So, I've added spacing for the top margin, and then, just keep on messing around with the style and the coloring of your page and just make it look as good and as better as you want it to. And just mess around with the width, mess around with the colors, just just great stuff to have. And you can also mess around with the layouts. So as you can see, these are like let's say you want to mess with this button over here, you can come down here where it says button, just click on it, and as you can see, it opens the settings for the button. So then just go ahead and mess around with all of this as much as you want to. If you want to add something, you can go on my assets and you can add something. You can get universal blocks, you can get a universal footer, universal header. So let's say I want to add this universal footer into my page. So you're just gonna hold it, click on it, and drag it down so you see the proper footer. So here you have it, and then you're gonna add it right here. Click on section, add. Oh wait, yeah, there we go. So here is our footer, and then you're obviously going to go ahead and add all the information, like get instant access here and all that. So pretty easy and basic stuff to understand and get your head around. And obviously you can embed different codes into it by adding custom cascading style sheets. You can mess around with the different settings like the background color, the typographies, the editor settings. And you can also see if there's any error integrated with your page that you might want to mess around with. So yeah, as you can see, pretty easy, pretty dang stuff, really simple to get your head around these things. And again, if you want to change the themes, again, you can just comment into, the background. By the way, you can also add an image background if you want to. So let's say if you want to add an image, follow the steps and click on upload image. Okay, let's say I want to add this image to my background. So it's going to generate a thumbnail out of it. It's going to upload it. And obviously, some people actually prefer to add proper photos to their images. So obviously, you might be the one who prefers to do that as well. So you can, do that for your page, and it's just, it looks really good. Looks has a good outlook to the page, and just gives you a good, substance. And obviously, if you're a design freak and you want things to look the way you created them, then obviously this is going to be for you. And then you can also, make a solid background color if you want to, like, let's say, there we go. You can add, I like the dark blue shade or the midnight purple shade. So obviously you can do the same with the backgrounds in this, okay? Same background, add a different foreground color if you want to. Then you have the different editor settings, element hover time, section behavior, and all that. So pretty simple stuff in my point of view, in my opinion. So obviously this is just going to be your homepage. So once you've created your homepage and once it's, up to par and looks well enough to, actually forward this design, then I'd say you save it and then you move on back. So obviously you've created the first page of the funnel. You've created the first content block of the funnel. Now, Obviously, a sales funnel also constitutes like you've created a homepage, but that's not the only thing it needs. It also needs a follow-up page. So let's say in the homepage you're introducing your sales product. In the second funnel, you have to, actually you either have to give more information in the product, or you're gonna have to do some more different integrations. Now, obviously, once you have all these pages over here, start going and adding more. Obviously, it's going to tell you to end the funnel right here if you want to, but you can choose to obviously go ahead and continue more. So obviously you're going to click on plus, and you can add more pages. So obviously that was the sales page, which was the first page, which was your home page, or it was maybe your entry page or something like that. Okay, now let's say you want to go more detail into it. You want to go more ahead into it, and you want to mess around with different pages. So you can obviously choose all the templates it gives you. You can change from a sales page to an order page, or to an upsell or downsell page. And you know pretty interesting stuff to have. So let's say I'm going to switch to the order templates. And once you switch to the order templates, obviously you have all these different templates for yourself. So let's say I'm going to go over here. So it's a two-step template. It's a two-step order template. So I'm going to go with order. Okay, just write order and click on create page. If it gives you this error, couldn't find page with this, just click on index and search engine. And once you do that, obviously it's going to search the page pretty quickly for you. So really simple stuff. And once you do that, click on create page, and that should load in the page. As I told you, there you go. It loads in the page, and you can obviously go ahead and add different workflows. Workflows are basically your automations that you can add to your page, but obviously I'm going to skip that for now because we don't really need to add that. So here we are. So this is obviously your orders page that you've added into your funnels. And again, obviously edit it as you please, because obviously, surely your order is not going to be a firefighter t-shirt. You probably will change it to something else. And obviously you can do that. So let's say I don't want this image. You can remove it and add an image by yourself through, external platforms like Canva or something like that. And again, just get a good outlook of your page, get a decent design of your page and all that. So yeah, pretty simplistic stuff in my opinion. Then obviously once you're done with all of your funnel settings, like you're once done with all these things, again you're going to walk out. And then finally, what a funnel finally needs, like obviously we have a home page, we have an orders or a main sales page, and then you can also add different workflows. As I told you, these are automations, which could be a conditional split path or split test. But I'll just add a final page, which is your order confirmation page. Okay, so you just add that type of page, and yeah, you should be set to go, because after that, obviously, not a whole lot of other things are needed or required for your funnel to actually function or work. So once you've done all of this, you're just gonna make sure that your funnel will actually, capable of making earning. So as you can see, the home or sales page is not capable of making earning because it's just a, standalone landing page. If someone comes to it, obviously from there on out, they're gonna follow up to the order page, and on the order page, as you can see, is where you're gonna make sales. So, this basically gives you an idea on how the sales pages are actually gonna work. And obviously this is the test mode. And obviously to disable test mode, what you're going to do is you're going to come here, you're going to click on settings, and finally, once you're done with everything, you're going to generate a funnel link. So there we go. And as you can see, your funnel has been successfully published, and this is the funnel URL. So yeah, obviously you can turn off test mode, click on update, and your funnel is properly published. And obviously it takes a few minutes, so just wait for it to do that. But yeah, that is how you can create an extremely effective sales funnel on ClickFunnels 2.0 and just have a great running system on ClickFunnels. So yeah, Now, I hope that video was helpful. If it was, drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below and I will make more for you. But yeah, that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.